Hi guys, this is Dan with Avant Novus. Would like to thank everyone for allowing us to get to 400 subscribers on YouTube. Pretty for a really niche, specialized channel. That's really big for me, for us, and I just want to say thank you. Drew, want to say thank you, and everybody here at Avant Novus, our little team of people, want to say thank you. I've created, as such, I've created some brushes. You can find them online on avantnovus.com/brush. They're just like, 60 brushes and additional 22 brushes for you to use any way you want to. Use them for projects, sell your projects, everything else like that. And again, thank you. When we're going to truck and see if we can get to 500 subs, and we'll do something really cool like maybe free campaign map or a volcanic map once I finally get around to it. Again, thank you so much, and have a good one.